O uria matuku marakia ndumiriri iria irarekererio ni thirikari cia murimu wa COVID-19 niguo iratuika cia kumakania amu muigana wa arwaru urathie ona mbere kuongerereka. Mathaa-ini 24 mahituku bururi wandikithitie arwaru 307 muigana uria niguo wa iguru makiria kuma murimu uyu woneka guku bururi-ini na gukinyithia arwaru 6,673.
This number now pushes our caseload of those confirmed positive to 6,673. Out of a sample size of 173,355 that we have tested thus far.
Kaunti ya Nairobi noyo ithiete na mbere gukua Buritatha iri na arwaru 154 irumirirwo ni Mombasa na arwaru 38. Arwaru aria makuite makinyite 149 thutha wa mundu ungi umwe kuhotwo ni murimu uyu. Aria mahonete nao ni andu 50 na gukinyithia andu 2,089. Thirikari ikiuga ni irageria gwika uria ingihota kuhitana na gutamba kwa murimu uyu, no irahinyiriria muingi kunyita itemi riao na njira ya guthingata mawatho maria magathike ma kwigitira.
We are at a very bad point as far as this pandemic is concerned. We are seeing the numbers rise. They will probably rise even further. We may be on that incline towards our peak. We have done the most that we can and will continue to do that as a government and as a ministry. But it will take more than that and it requires personal responsibility by all Kenyans.
Ginyagia riu murimu uyu wa COVID-19 ni utambite hakui bururi-ini wothe kuona kaunti 41 hari 47 iri na arwaru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.